Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find contacts in Messenger. So you will have to just open the Messenger app on the Android device or iOS. This solution makes for both. So you will have to just click the top left of the settings of Messenger, and you will have to scroll down in the end. So in the end you will see the account center. So you will have to click to the account center. So there you will see the information and permissions, and in the last you will see the upload contacts. So you can choose your messenger and you will just upload contacts. So you will have to make to turn on. So once you will have to turn on the, and you will see your contacts lists on messenger. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.